Hello, friends. Welcome to Knowledge World. And I hope you people are enjoying my videos and you are learning different things too. We are focusing on the career related videos as well. Here in this video, we are going to cover how to use WhatsApp in your laptop. So there are the like very easy steps, but people don't know. So I thought like I should help you how you can use the WhatsApp in the system. It is really helpful actually, like when you're working and you are checking your WhatsApp again and again in phone, so it's better to download it in your laptop. So let's follow this step. You will open google.com. Here you will write down web WhatsApp, and here this website would come. You will click here, then you will see one link here, one code here. So what you need to do, from your WhatsApp you need to scan this. Where in your WhatsApp option would come, let me explain you. You will click on WhatsApp, and in your home screen right hand side there are three dots, and you will click on those. There you will get one option, linked devices. Then you will click on that, and then link device, and using that you will scan this and your WhatsApp will be opening here. So let I'm scanning my using my phone right now, and then it would be logged in here. Here you can see WhatsApp is coming, and after some time all chats and everything would be in front of you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. If you have any questions related to that, you can comment and you can ask for other topics as well. I would try to make videos on that. Thank you. My chats would be downloaded here and it would come in front of you. So same way you can. I hope you are not interested to my check videos and all. Thank you. Please subscribe.